Hey everyone, if you use matplotlib, I will show you how can you easily style any plot. It is very simple. Let's start by importing the matplotlib library and numpy to generate some random data. We will generate a time series with a couple of anomalies, and usually the default plots are like this. So it's pretty simple, and this is the default visualization. But sometimes we want to style our plots and make it more attractive. And there is a very simple way to do that. I will show you how. All you need to do is to set up the style method and choose the style that you want. And for that you write plt.style.use. And here you can define the style that you want to use. For example, we can use ggplot style. And you'll get a completely different style like the ggplot. If you'd like, you can also use something like a dark background, like this. You also have grayscale, just like this. Of course, you can always set the color of your data points, or you can even set up other kinds of styles like this Tableau colorblind. And if you'd like to check out more styles, I will leave this web page in the description. Don't forget to leave a like or a comment to support this video, and if you'd like to watch more 1-minute videos, don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you around. Peace. Bye.